Fish! That was sick. I knew there was fish right there, dude. I kept getting, my bobber kept going down and I'd set the hook with no eggs. It's a nice fish too. That's okay. Oh, there's some fish in here. It's okay, just stay right here. Eggs. Hatchery. Yep. Yeah.
Shoot, I wish I would have had my hands.
Got him. A little bit dark, but he's keepable. Hatchery fish. I had a bead on there too, eggs and bead. Oh, I'm shaking so bad right now. Yes. Oh my gosh, guys, that was awesome. I'm like shaking and sweating and can't even, my hands are just like shaking so bad. He got me super tangled up and I'm trying to re-rig everything and my hands are shaking too bad. But I need to get back out there because there's fish. That's not the first one that I had take my bobber under. Ah, come on. There it is. Rigging up just a simple slip bobber, slide a bobber stop, bead, your bobber. Put a weight, tie a little swivel on there, then put your leader and a piece of eggs on there. And this water is a little covered up, so that's why I immediately went to the eggs. In clear water, I probably wouldn't be using eggs right now. I probably would just keep beads on or something, but this water being this colored up, I immediately went to eggs and it paid off. Fish on, guys. Dad's got one. Where's he at? Right there. Come on, come on, come on. He's not ready yet, though. Just don't force him. Have you seen him? Is it nice? Oh, it's almost better. Well, maybe not. Just stay right there. He'll come back. That's what mine did, is went way up. I missed another one. You just see me set the hook. It's a big, I think it's bigger than mine.
Oh no.
Just keep them under those trees. On a bead?
That big bead?
Yep. Dude, that's awesome. There's fish all over in here.
Must be. Oh my gosh.
That's a big fish. Oh, he's pretty dark. Oh, it's like a 20-pounder. What lead do you have on? One of the new ones? That's fine. Don't tighten it up. Don't break her off.
Oh my god. He wrapped up here.
There you go. That's a big fish. It's about the same color as that one. It's probably definitely keepable. Oh, it's a big one. I know, I fell. He'll come back. Problem is I'm having trouble finding somewhere. Come on. He's still fighting. Lift, 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 lift. Oh, he's still deep. He's too far out. When he gets close, reel down and lift up. Where's he at? I can't see him. Oh, that's a big one. It's hatch. It's a hatchery too. Oh, that's a big fish, dude. Choked the big huge bead. Alright guys, this is awesome. There's fish all over. This river, honestly, like, I was at the point with this river where I was kind of just like, screw it. Because this river is like really hit or miss. You come here and you're either like this, where you're catching fish, or you get there and there's absolutely no fish and just wasting gas money, wasting time. And that's what it's been for a long time for us. Is, you know, just wasting time, wasting money. And then you finally have a day like this and it's like, so awesome. Fish on, guys. Scrambling down the bank once again. Dad's got another one. Where's he at? Well, run. You gotta have to run down the.
Unscrewed.
Oh, you saw the line on there. They'll come back. They always come back. Broke? Did he break it?
Oh man.
Yeah, he broke everything. That was a big fish.
It broke my braid.
That's weird for breaking braided line like that. That's like 30 or 40 pounds.
Oh. He was red, did you see him?
Yeah, he was big. I don't know if he was keepable, but he was big fish.
He was red.
Alrighty guys, so I hope you enjoyed this one. This is actually a couple days later when I'm filming this part, but hope you enjoyed that video. We caught a couple fish, had a few more, you know, bobber downs that we missed. My dad broke off one. So it's a pretty cool little, fun little day, I should say. You know, it only took those first two fish. I mean, we were there for probably like 5 minutes when I hooked that first one, and then from then on it was pretty. We had quite a bit of action the whole time we were there, really, and then as it got later, we stopped getting bites, but there was a lot of fish rolling, so there's always something going on, so it was pretty fun. And we did end up keeping those fish. They were pretty dark. you know, some people might, you know, cringe against that, or, you know, hey, you shouldn't keep those fish to, you know, but you never know, you know, sometimes those dark fish, you know, when you cut them, they actually cut really good, and they have good meat, and sometimes not so much. And one of those is also a hen, and they're hatchery fish, so, you know, they're meant to be kept anyway. They're in the river for fishermen to catch. So, you know, might as well keep them just to see. You never know. So we kept them, and I didn't want to show any, you know, any bloody glory parts or anything like that on YouTube, because, you know, YouTube's not a fan of that. So anyway, hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video.